Welcome! This video covers how to create and manage groups in MyGeotab. To begin, click on Groups and Rules, then Groups. From here, you'll be able to see all groups that already exist in the system. You also have the ability to create new groups by clicking the plus sign at any level. The company group is an automatic group that comes with the database. Everything goes into this group by default unless you specify otherwise. There are other subgroups that are also built into the system listed as built-in groups. Here we see asset information and driver activity. Anything that is not a built-in group is listed as groups. The way that groups work is that everyone in the company group can see everything in the entire database. All groups on the left can see groups on the right of them, whereas the groups on the right cannot see groups to the left of them. So if you are in an asset information group, you could see information about the groups over here because they're on the right-hand side. But somebody in an asset purpose group would not be able to see any of these groups on the left. Likewise, groups that are at the same level, such as these, would not be able to see information on the other. Let's add a new group by clicking on our plus. Once you click on the plus button, you name your new group, you can add in a description and select a color. Click your save button and you have added a new group. Now that we've added a new group to the system, we're going to go ahead and add in an asset and a driver to this new group. We're selecting our new E group and clicking save. We're going to go down to people and add in a new user or driver to this new group as well. Under aviators, select our subgroup of E group and click save. Now that we've added our new group as well as a single asset and driver, we're going to use the groups filter option in the database to see what a person in that group would actually see. So if we go back to our assets, and at the top of the page, we have a groups option. If we click into there, we can filter by group, and then our subgroup, which is our new one that we added, and click apply. In this case, we should only see our single asset of Tomcat because that's the only asset that I added to this group. Likewise, if we do the same thing for people, we can see only the single user or driver that we added by using the same process, filtering by group, aviators, e-group. We see our single user here. And then if I go to our groups and rules option and click on groups, again, filter by our new e-group, we only see the e-group in this case because it's the only group that we will be aware of as a user in that group. If there was another group listed over to the right of this, we would be able to see that information, but we can't see any groups that are to the left of this e-group. Lastly, just one final thing to leave you with. If you are searching using the groups filter, just ensure that you go back up to that groups option and click reset filters when you are done using this so that you can see the rest of your assets and drivers and the rest of your information. That's all we have for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.